I'm Tim Liu. I'm the general manager of Lifos Genomics. We are a startup company and we develop innovative genetic testing products. It's a new platform and which can provide a lot of applications based on our proprietary technology, which is the multiplex digital PCR that can provide the sensitivity, quantitative capability, and multiplexity capability. Our platform is a fully automated platform, which simplifies the genetic testing process, and it can be used in hospital settings. It's easy to use, and it can be used in hospitals and in decentralized testing environment. The product that we just released for the RUO market during BioAsia 2020, that this new product that we just introduced to the marketplace, that we want to develop more applications with our partners. So distributors and application development partners, that's the companies that we want to collaborate with to bring this new innovative technology to the genetic testing clinical market to benefit in the healthcare industry. With our product that we want to introduce the genetic testing into the IVD space, and that's our goal. Welcome you all to BioAsia Taiwan 2021. Thank you.